Hey guys, today we're at the Oratia Bowling Club with the Friday morning breakfast club. Beautiful day, excellent collection of cars that have turned up here today. Definitely can't say anything more bad about this, that's for sure. Let's go have a look around and see what we've got. It's old rat catcher here.
The famous rat catcher, 454, 40 pickup, and he's even got rat catcher itself sitting in the truck called
The old
Snap.
Snap.
There's Snap. Hello Snap, you gonna snap at us today?
Nope.
Oh well.
He's been out for a walk, so he's happy. So what's the difference between these two trucks? Are they the same?
That's
or?
a 1940, see how it has the skinny chrome on the bonnet?
Yeah.
That's a 1941, see it has the wide chrome on the bonnet.
Oh, I see, yes.
So it's one of the easiest ways to pick the difference.
Okay. I'm trying not to get run over here. Good turnout today. So that's a Plymouth, is it?
1934 Plymouth
Okay.
sedan.
That's nice looking.
Yeah.
Let's have a look at it. Oh, spotless inside.
Yeah, pretty original. It's about as original as you get.
Wow. Very cool.
All it needs is an LS3 sitting in it.
Ha!
That's Flathead Ted's 34 sedan.
A few movies, this one.
Yeah, it has been in the movie. I think it was Gangster Squad, the movie it was in.
It's been in a few different ones, apparently.
It has.
Chicago Police. Even that's still quite nice interior in it too.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah. Some front heads and triple cubs would look nice on it. It's a bit stock at the moment.
That's the way he likes it.
Yeah. He's building a few other cars as well. He's got quite a collection of 34s.
Mustang.
That's Annette's Mustang.
Yep.
And Jim's Mercury Cougar.
Yeah, it's quite a nice one, eh?
Yeah. 1967. The 68 have a little parking light on the front guard in the corner there. That's the only difference. Apart from that, they're pretty identical.
Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Because this one and Dave's one are a little bit different, aren't they?
No, they're the same.
The same one?
67.
Oh, they're both 67? Oh, yeah.
Yep.
There's Matthew's Triumph.
Yep.
Nice little English car.
Neville's
29 Chev.
Chevy.
That's a good looking car too, isn't it?
Yeah, he's just fixed the broken drive shaft in it. He's back on the road.
Nice. A big tank, this one.
Yep.
And it's Collins' Old Reliable.
89 Deluxe Roadster.
Very nice.
Yeah, and the old Maxwell Smart Car. Sunbeam Alpine. They also done these with a V8 and they called them a Sunbeam Tiger. They had their little small block Ford in them.
Cool. Another nice vintage one.
Yeah, 4-door Model A sedan. Nicely restored.
Very tough.
They've got the quail on it.
Oh, it does too.
Yeah. Quail. Yeah.
Oh, how about that? Little Chevy trucks.
GMC truck.
Mm-hmm.
Chevy truck, yep. got over here?
Now we got some hot rods.
Yeah, some hot rods. A Brad 32 3-window. Small block Chev, triple carbs. Really traditional looking car.
Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it?
Oh, beautiful car. It's a real hot rod, this one.
Mm.
Yeah. Nicely presented.
Excellent line of hot rods here. Alright, let's have a look.
Here we got Ian's the famous Codington coupe, built in the Codington workshop. Beautiful steel body. Got a 502 cubic inch Chev in it with a Tremac manual.
Wow, very cool.
All steel body, beautiful resto rod.
Yeah. Beautiful cars. And here's your one.
My old coupe, 429 in it. Limited slip 9-inch, 3-to-1 gears, good cruiser.
Yeah, these two look good together. Well,
Yeah,
all three of them look good together.
Oh, the coupe would look good, the 32 would look good in my garage, parked beside me 34.
You can't go wrong there. Oh, what we got leaving?
Forward.
Yep.
Sounds good.
Does. And there he goes.
Yep.
Alright.
It's my brother David's 34 sedan. 350 Chev. Richie come from Oamaru. The late Calvin Sutherland owned it for many years. It had a big collection of 34s. So luckily David was lucky to get this one.
He was a very lucky man to get that. It's a beautiful
Nice car.
Oh, it's a good cruiser.
The other Dave, 34 3-window.
What's he running in this?
It looks like a late model Ford injected engine. A lot more economical than most of our carbureted cars.
Yeah. The engine I'd probably prefer to have, that's for sure. Oh, what we got here?
Oh, that's Peter's beautiful restored, hot rodded, resto rodded Chevy Sloper. Nice car. Had a lot of time and money spent on it. Lovely to see it out. Been off the road for a long time.
Oh, the rotary engine in there.
What a good lineup those are.
Hey, what we got over the back here?
Yeah, what?
It fell off the hoist as well, so they have to repair it for it. The hoist.
Why on earth would you go and park a Japper amongst all these show cars? God, there's some idiots around. Okay.
56 Chevy, looks
Yeah.
like. 4-door.
Yeah, Dave Graham's one of his many cars.
Very nice. E-type Jag.
Yeah, that's Bart's E-Type. Sometimes he comes in his XK120 and a 37 Chrysler convertible, so he's got some nice cars. The son's got a Shelby Cobra.
Excellent.
Good car family.
Rambler Marlin.
Oh, Wayne's Marlin. Yeah, not many of them around. That's a very rare car. The difference being it's a 2-door fastback. Mostly 4-door sedans around in the Ramblers.
Right, nice.
Tania's beautiful Crown Victoria.
Yeah, it's a stunning car, this one.
Beautiful car. Julie's Chevy pickup truck.
Big truck too.
She didn't bring her Model A Roadster today, but maybe next time we'll see it.
Yep. And we got some Mopar muscle here.
Looks like a 68 Plymouth Satellite. Nice car. Don't see these every day of the week. Beautiful condition. Nice.
Oh, that's very tidy.
Yeah, can't beat a bit of Mopar muscle.
Let's have a good look at this beauty.
Yeah, it's lovely condition.
Holden.
Even got a 2016 HSV Commodore GDS.
Yeah, everyone.
That'd be a nice car to drive.
Oh, that'd be excellent.
I think they have the LS motor in them.
Alright, what we got here?
That looks like a Chrysler coupe. And that's Dave's coupe.
It'd be nice to go and visit.
That's a big car.
Yeah, it's had that for a while. Nice clean car.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice indeed.
Yeah.
Okay,
Of course, over here we've got the nice 58.
we'll go have a look at this one over here first.
And here's a pretty stock looking 36 four-door sedan. Pretty original looking.
It's got a greyhound on it.
Yeah. Pretty sure this is flathead powered, this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice fluffy seats.
Yeah. Good for this weather.
Oh yeah. This is a beautiful day.
Oh, beautiful day.
Can't ask for anything better. Alright, this truck over here.
56 F100. Nasty scratch in the front guard.
It's for sale too. Doesn't have any details on it, but it's for sale apparently. And last but not least,
Yeah, look at that. 1958 Ford four-door pillarless Fairlane. Beautiful car. I like the chrome flashing on the side of these. They look really good. Nice blue.
that's a nice blue.
Even looks good with the SS Kragers on it. Got a racing steering wheel. Good to go.
What a fantastic turnout today.
Yeah. We should ban the jet cars. We should have a marshal at the gate to keep them out.
Yeah. Hello guys, thanks for watching this video of the Oratia Bowling Club. We're usually here every Friday morning.
If you want to fire up your HotRod or classic car, come along.
Absolutely, more the better. So here's the Oratia Bowling Club in Glen Eden, west of Auckland. So remember to like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more car shows coming to you very soon. See you guys in the next show. See yas.